Good afternoon. It's Bob here at Moonlight Meadows. And we just rolled out some hay for the cattle and sheep. And some of the sheep climbing inside the hay ring. There's a lot of hay out there in the field for them, but they decided they wanted to come over here and socialize with the cattle. And we've got one had to get inside got the best seat in the house. Yeah, that ewe is, all she's got to do is lay down, take a nap, wake up, start eating again. Life is good. About 20 feet from the water. She's just enjoying herself. Cattle don't seem to mind. That spooked her. She jumped out of there. Gonna go hang out with the other sheep. Had some rain yesterday, just didn't drain down yet, but it will. Can't quite read that number. I think that's J22. It's one of my favorites. And that's J16 making a racket. Most of them are ruminating. They're just standing back there chewing their cud. And we got the weanlings out in the back pasture. They've been off their mama now for about 20 days. Probably keep them off 30 to 45 days, let the moms dry up. And they stop on, after about 3 or 4 days, I guess. Now they're just kind of on their own out there. And yeah, we'll run them around that back pasture and then out to the front, and then we'll merge them back in with the herd. Hello there, J16 or J22. How are you today, honey? You are a sweetheart. Yes, you are. So we got 18 brew cows here and 8 first calf heifers that haven't calved yet, bred heifers I should say. And then out there in the back field there's 18 weanlings. And then there's 65 ewes over there. You can't hardly see them, they're just over that hill. And we got 8 lambs in another pasture that we're fattening up for the January to March lamb market. And then there's 13 nanny goats. I got a Billy in with them right now. Billy's been in there since November 30th. We'll take him out December 28th actually, and hopefully we'll have the 13 nannies bred. And then there's also 2 wither kids over there, and 8 withered lambs. So yeah, there you have it. We're getting ready for some cold weather. It was warm yesterday and rainy. Now it's supposed to get kind of cold. So we're kind of set up for winter. I got Levi out there setting up some pasture. He's on the 4-wheeler, setting up some patties. Yeah. Nice calm wind right now. We grazed most of that 17 acres. You can see where we rolled out the hay. Then Levi and I rolled out 20 more bales today up there. So we'll be grazing that over the next 10 to 15 days. And then there's one more section in this 17 acres that we'll graze. And then it's off to the 32 acres. And I'll be buying in some hay to get us through till March, April. We got about, I think I counted around 50 bales left, I think. I only started with 100 this year. Wasn't the best hay, but the hay I have coming in a couple weeks is much nicer. And then there's the 15, 16 goats. There's a billy out there that doesn't belong to me. So 13 nannies, 2 kids that are withers. So that's 15 and a billy. And then there's 8 lamb withers that we'll be selling sometime between January and March when they get to the right weight. And that's about it. All right, signing out. Have a good day.